Hello children, today we will continue with the chapter 2 polynomials. In my previous video, I taught you about the algebraic expressions, polynomials, degree of polynomial in one variable and degree of polynomial in two or more variables. Let us do polynomials of various degrees today. First comes linear polynomial. A polynomial whose degree is 1 is known as a linear polynomial. You all know degree means highest power. Now the example is 2x plus 5. Here the power of x is 1. So it is a linear polynomial in x. Look here in this example x plus y minus 2. It is also a linear polynomial because the power of x is 1, the power of y is 1. Therefore both are having the same degree and that is 1. So it's a linear polynomial in variables x and y. Next comes quadratic polynomial. Polynomial whose degree is 2. Degree means highest power is 2 is known as a quadratic polynomial. Look at this example, x square plus 5x minus 6. Here the power of x is 2. Here the power of x is 1. So the highest power is 2. It means its degree is 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial in one variable x. Look at this. Now x into y plus y into z plus z into x. Look at the powers of these. X, the power of x is 1, the power of y is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. The power of y is 1, the power of z is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. The power of z is 1, the power of x is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. As you see, all are having the same power 2. It means its degree is also 2. Hence, it is a quadratic polynomial in three variables x, y and z. Next comes cubic polynomial. A polynomial whose degree is 3 is known as a cubic polynomial. Degree 3 means its highest power is 3. Look at this example. 4x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 5. Now here the power of x is 3. Here the power of x is 2. Here the power of x is 1. So what is the highest power? Highest power is 3 and highest power is known as the degree. As its degree is 3, so it's a cubic polynomial in one variable and that is x. Let us look at the next very important example. X square y plus yz square plus xz square minus y. Now look at their powers. The powers are 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. And here only 1. So what is the highest power among all these? Highest power is 3. So its degree is 3. Hence it is a cubic polynomial in three variables x, y and z. So children, it is a cubic polynomial in three variables x, y and z. Let us next study about the number of terms in a polynomial. First one is monomial. A polynomial with one non-zero term. Very important word is non-zero. Non-zero means the term must not be zero. The term must be any number, any variable. It can be constant, it can be variable like 5, 3x, 1 upon 7a. So these all are the polynomials with one term. So they are known as monomials. Next comes binomials. A polynomial with two again non-zero terms. That means कोई भी term zero नहीं होनी चाहिए. The two terms can be x plus 7 or another example is x square minus 5y. Again there are two terms. So here let us see the third example. 8 to the power 100 minus 10. So here there are two terms. So it is a binomial. Clear to you? Now the very important thing is the linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials are the polynomials with respect to the degrees. And monomials, binomial, trinomials are the polynomials with respect to their terms. So very important thing to understand is the number of terms and the power, the degree of the polynomial. Clear to you everyone? Next comes is trinomial. Trinomial is a polynomial with three non-zero terms. Means all the three terms must be existing. No one must be zero. For example, x square plus 3x plus 8. How many terms are there? 1, 2 and 3. Next example is xy plus yz plus zx. How many terms? 1, 2, 3. Next example, x to the power 20 plus y to the power 10 plus 10 to t to the power 7. How many terms? 3. Hence, it is a trinomial. Next comes constant polynomials. A polynomial containing only one term and that term must be a constant is known as a constant polynomial. Constants you all know are the numeric values like 3, 4, 7, 9, 8, 11. So hence I can say constant polynomials are the polynomials which have only one term and that is a constant. For example, 3, 7 by 8, minus 5 and so on. Zero polynomial. From the word it is very clear, zero polynomial is zero only. A polynomial that consists of only one term and that is 0. The degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Because 0 is not having any degree, its degree is also always not defined.